Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Grime and Punishment. Written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 7 Catman. Meanwhile...
But why, Papa?
Because your grandpa is a deadbeat. You can't just forgive and forget. Sometimes you just gotta hate. Hate isn't always a bad thing, you know.
It isn't?
Of course not. Hate keeps things alive. Hate is a connection. Sometimes hate is all you've got left.
But what about love, Papa?
Love schmuv. Love is fine for people like you. You've lived a charmed life. But things were different for me. Grandpa was way meaner to me than he was to you. And he was even meaner to my mom.
Hey, Papa, how come I met my grandpa, but I never met my grandma? Why, Papa?
Just eat your food.
But why, Papa? Papa?
Meanwhile...
Me guess me act so bad because me feel so sad.
Hey, maybe if you find yourself a buddy, you'll become enlightened.
But where crud find Buddy? It's not like Buddy just appear out of nowhere. Oh? Hey! Buddy? Huh? Shh! Crud love Buddy! Crud and Buddy do crimes! But what crime we do first? Me know! Us smash bookshop! Come on, Buddy! Huh? Hey! Crud stuck! Huh? Crud no understand!
I'll tell you what happened, Cruddy. It looks like you just got busted by this awesome undercover cop, Catman!
Haha! Did you see that, Mrs. Snookums? I hired that cat. I guess that makes me the hero. Aren't you proud of me, Mrs. Snookums?
Well, folks, it looks like Crud has been captured.
Crud captured? Crud no think so! Crud angry!
Whoa! Crudorama.
You know like Crud when he angry?
Ready? And then...
Hey, you're Dogman.
Hey! That's Dogman!
I'm gonna help him.
I'm gonna destroy him! Chapter 8 Big Fight. Meanwhile...
But why, Papa?
I told you! I don't want to talk about it anymore!
But why?
Because you're just a kid. You couldn't possibly understand what I've gone through.
I can try.
Look, your grandpa, he abandoned me and my mom. He left when I was just a kitten. He left when my mom was sick.
Your mommy was sick?
Yeah.
She got better though, right? Right, Papa?
Look, kid, sometimes bad things happen, and you just can't forgive, and you can't forget. Sometimes all you've got left is hate.
I don't know, Papa. Hate has caused a lot of problems in this world. But it hasn't solved one yet.
Meanwhile...
Crud hate new Buddy! Crud destroy new Buddy! But first, Crud untie tail!
Not so fast, Cruddy.
Yo!
Wait for me, gang! Not so fast, Chief! Dogman isn't a cop anymore! But, yeah, he was impersonating a cop! But Dogman belongs in jail! But, and if you help him, you're going to jail too! But, so what's it gonna be, Chief? Are you gonna risk everything for that loser? Well, you bet I am! Make way for Chief! So, Chief is a traitor, eh? Well, don't just stand there, arrest him! But no more buts! Arrest him or you're all fired! And so... Sorry, Chief. We don't have a choice, Sarah. Ha ha!
Great! Now the bad guy is getting away!
It's your own fault. You were helping a criminal. Now put those chumps in the copmobile and get them out of my sight. Okay, Mayor. Hey! Meanwhile...
What's this?
City's third largest lunch bag and gift shop. Saltwater taffy. Living spray.
Ooh.
Warning. Please do not spray this giant lunch bag with living spray. Now available in our gift shop.
Crud's murder brain gave him good idea.